Here we are on the farm, Monday, May 18th, and we're getting this garlic pulled. Got the row about halfway full. We'll go check that out in a minute. What I want to highlight out here, these are our leeks, and they're starting to flower. Pretty much after this point, these leeks will be inedible. So we want to consider that for the CSA. Give a nice bunches of leeks. Same with these onions, they're starting to die back. We can do them as is. I think that'll be good onion work for y'all this week. See if you can get this rest of this garlic pulled and hung in the orchard back there. And let's get this row planted with beans. So about midway, you can see the green starts right there. Trellis beans, black-eyed peas coming all the way down. And we'll get you those peas. Another thing to highlight out here in this mid-May is our zucchinis are totally fruiting. I came through, harvested a tray. You can look in there and see all those little baby fruits. So in a couple days, those will be ready. So I would use those for the CSA too. And here's what been work of today. So basically, we went from garlic, which is what y'all be working on, and now we got cucumbers almost halfway through, which is great. You can see these guys are big and ready to get in, so I'm just giving them a spot water. Then I'm gonna hook up that irrigation, and hopefully it'll run on Thursday. Then we'll get these trellises built, start trellising these guys. I gave you all a little demo right there. Check out the cucumber harvest just from right now. We'll keep that going. All right, y'all, that's it. Hey, actually, no, last thing. Back over here, broccoli greens. Let's pick those broccolis, any broccoli flowers you see coming. And once you pick the flower, feel free to take the whole plant and sell them as greens. Double the fun.